So this is US oil analysis for Tuesday, 10th of July. Now let's just have a look at prices and where price may likely go. So previously we had prices trade down beyond the slight below the 72.39. I think we traded all the way down towards that 72.13 or something, from which we have seen the bullish buy side momentum take us above the 73.31. We've had prices head up towards let's just see where we are. So currently we have prices at the $74 a barrel mark, pretty close towards a test of the 74.50. So if we do see this continuation to the upside here, we're looking for another test of that $75 barrel mark. From that $75 barrel, previously encountered resistance and saw sales momentum return to the market. But if we do break beyond the $75 a barrel mark, if we are able to break and hold above the $75, then we are looking for price head up towards that 76.66 here on the US oil. If however we do fail from where we are at present in around 74.50 or at $75 barrel mark, we're then looking for prices to start to head down towards that 73.13, sorry, the 73.31. Successful break from which we're then looking for price head towards that 72.88. And if we do see sufficient volatility to bring us beyond 72.88, 72.39, beyond that I wouldn't anticipate prices moving beyond the 72.39 unless we have a rather extraordinary day in terms of volatility. But beyond the 72.39, the very next level of note is of course the 70.79 here on the US oil. What we'll do now is a brief look here at the daily chart to see how prices are developing, and we've had a very strong extended move to the upside in a very short period of time. So the fact that we're consolidating isn't too much of a surprise. So let's just have a look here at the daily chart. And over here on the daily chart of the US oil, we can see here we've had this very strong run to the upside, gone into a bit of a consolidation beneath the $75 barrel mark, had a brief pullback, but we saw immediate buy side momentum return to the market, suggesting that there is quite a bit of bullish momentum holding this market up. There's quite a bit of bias holding this market up at the present. So we'll see whether we can see a bit more of a follow through, another test of that 75. If it does hold, possibly a deeper retracement in US oil before a continuation to the upside. Over the past couple of months, oil's been in very one directional, has been to the upside. So after seeing this strong move, brief pullback, we do seem poised for another test, but it might just be a bit of exhaustion by the bulls, so we might see that pullback before going for that another test. But more recently, again, yesterday we did see prices trade to the downside, but saw immediate buy side momentum. And today it's been a lack of volatility so far, so the volatility might pick up here in the US session and see a greater directional move, either with the trend which is clear to the upside, or we might see a bit more of a pullback towards support and see overall in the coming days or weeks a continuation to the upside on the US oil. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US oil analysis. Thanks for watching.